Good morning, this is Dr. Philip Olmschneider coming to you from the Ozark Chiropractic Clinic. It's a blustery, gray kind of day out there. It's gotten cold, hasn't it, guys? But I do want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I hope you had a great Christmas, safe New Year's, and now here we are rolling through January, one week in. Keep on moving through the rest of the year. Let's hope it's a good one. And so today we're going to talk about the weather potential because around our area here, we got snow forecast for Thursday night and into Friday, so we may get some snow. We want to talk about shoveling snow. I know a fair amount of people don't. I'm from the north, so I've always had a habit. If it's snow on the driveway, I get out and shovel, clear it off. Just what you do. But I want to talk about how to shovel snow, and for that matter, it can relate to how you shovel in the garden in the springtime, dirt. So shoveling is shoveling because I don't want you to hurt yourselves and things. So let me get my prop here. This is just my, it's a broom, but I just want to show you the mechanics of how we want you to do it. So it doesn't matter if it's a shovel or a broom, but here's where we go. Because a lot of times people, when they're going to be shoveling, everybody just bends over like this and they hurt their back. And that's great. And they're shoveling, they're twisting, and they're doing this, and they're throwing stuff. And that's just a great way to hurt the back. You really have got to make a habit of squatting, bending the knees. Keep the back straight when you're doing anything. So if you're shoveling, squat down, shovel, and then move your feet to throw the dirt or to place it. Don't twist and throw it. That just causes torque, which will hurt the back in time. So remember, we want to keep ourselves square to what we're doing, face what you're doing, bend the knees just a bit, keep the back straight. Keep that back straight. No this, none of this. Straight, okay? That's the difference. Too many people say, well, I'm straight. No, you're not. You're bending forward. Straighten up. So keep the back straight. Thanks. Get your shovel, load it, move your feet, go to where you need to, dump it down. It makes it a lot easier. And this can be done in the garden for dirt, anything you gotta do in your yard through the summer, the snow and things, work on those things. But it's simple. And it's easy to do, but people don't. They get in a habit and they get in hurries and they just go back to their old ways and just sort of sling it around and do whatever, and then they hurt themselves. So this is a great way just to not hurt yourself. And if you could be like a lot of people, you'll just say, well, heck, I'll just let the sun come out and melt it, which that works too, and things. So either way you want to go about it, do that. But I want to wish you guys a good, safe start to the new year. I hope everybody has a great year, and I hope we do well, everybody across our country and stuff. And I just pray for us and that we do well. I want to thank you. And if you ever have questions, call us at 479-667-5053. Check out the website, Facebook page, all that stuff. And until next time, you guys have yourself a great rest of the day and the week. Thank you very much.